Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Better Discord. First, you need to go to any web browser, let's just say Google Chrome, and then type Better Discord. So this is what it looks like. If you want to know about the applications, you can just scroll down, and then once you're done with that, all you have to do is to click download. So click start download and wait for a few seconds or minutes. Then you can check the file to downloads or documents or anywhere or your desktop. Then all you have to do is to click run as administrator and then wait for a few seconds again as it is processing. Once done, read the license agreement, and then if you understand everything, click I accept the license agreement and then click next. Now all you have to do is to choose install Better Discord, click next, and then here you need to click this one and then click install. Wait as it is installing. Once done, you can click close. Now wait for the Discord application to appear, and once it appears, you can check the settings of the system if you can see a better Discord. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Go to settings, scroll down, and in this area, next to game overlay, you can see better Discord. So it is successfully installed in your Discord application. So here's the thing, if you don't want any trackings on your device, so all you have to do is to go to plugins and then kind of type track here. Now download this and wait for a few seconds or minutes. Go back to Discord and click this download now. Okay, so once done, you can easily see this do not track change log. So it means you successfully add this feature. So what does it mean? It means that it stops Discord from tracking everything you do, like Sentry and analytics. As easy as that. If you find this video informative, give it a thumbs up. See you again in our next video tutorials.